Hello children, welcome to today's cultural and creative art class. In today's class, our topic is Introduction to Tie and Dye. Our topic is Introduction to Tie and Dye. Tie and dye designs can be simple or complex. They can be of a single color, monochrome, or multicolored. Other techniques of fabric decoration include printing, embroidery, painting, and applique. Methods of making tie and dye. Methods of making tie and dye. Number one, folding. Folding is a method of making stripes patterns by folding. Tying. Tying is a method of tying the fabric to create a patterns or designs. Stitching. Stitching is a method of using needle and thread to join or pull together to form or create a patterns or designs. Knotting. Knotting. Knotting is a method of using clamps and pegs to hold fabric together, create patterns or designs. Pleating. Pleating is a method of folding. Marbling. Marbling is a method of loosening and pressing together without any definite patterns or designs. Batik. Batik is a wax resist method of dyeing fabric. Batik is a wax resist method of dyeing fabric. Materials needed for making tie and dye. Materials needed for making tie and dye. The production of tie and dye fabric requires the following materials. Number one, fabric, white and 100% cotton. Number two, dye. Number three, hydrogen sulfate. Number four, caustic soda, tablespoon or other measuring instrument. Number five, scissors or knife. Number five, scissors and knife. Number six, rubber gloves. Number six, rubber gloves. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.